Hello class, today is Friday, May 22nd, 2020, and today we're going to learn Vocabulary 28. So, repeat after me. Dirty, floor, rubbish, untidy, tidy. So, sucio, piso, basura, desordenado, ordenado. So, everybody go to open your class book in page 104. Write the short date on the top and we are going to listen.
Listening 147. Listen and point.
Tidy, untidy. Floor, rubbish. Dirty, untidy. Dirty, tidy. Rubbish. Floor.
Listen and repeat.
Tidy, untidy. Floor, rubbish. Dirty.
Okay. Now let's go to the next exercise. Here you are going to sing, okay? So pay attention. You are going to listen and read. Primero la vas a escuchar y leer. And look at the pictures. And then you are going to play it again and sing it, okay? Después la vas a volver a poner y la vas a cantar, okay?
148. Listen and sing. The house was so untidy.
Hello, Mum. The party was fun. Everyone was happy, each and every one. But after the party, balloons were on the door, food was on the table, and cards were on the floor. The house was so untidy, so here is your surprise. Open the door and open your eyes. The food is in the fridge, the rubbish in the bin. Now the house is tidy, so come on in. Thank you.
Well done, class. Now, close your class book. Now, open your workbook in page 104. Recuerda que si no tienes tus libros en casa, te mando un archivo para que los puedas imprimir o en una hojita puedes escribir workbook, la página, la fecha y anotar únicamente las respuestas. So, exercise number 1, repeat, tidy, rubbish, floor, and untidy. And you have to circle the words here with different colors, okay? Now, let's go to exercise number 2. You are going to look and write the words here. You can do it with colors, okay? Now, close your workbook. And now, pay attention. In this exercise, you are going to copy or print vocabulary 28, okay? This one. And finally, it's going to be family time. You are going to describe your house using vocabulary 28. Vas a describir tu casa usando el vocabulario 28. And that's it, class. Goodbye. Have an excellent weekend. Sing the goodbye song.